Today I'm trading a model for Lego. Hey there, Lego store. Hello. Is this really that expensive? Over 500. We have a promotion right now. New members get 30 off at level 2. Are you a member? Oh, no, not yet. I was wondering if you could give me something. Anything from the store is fine. Then, because I'm a craftsman, I can make something. And then I'll bring it back to you. I need to ask, right? I'll just say it like this. Okay. Hello. Sir, how can I help you? Well, here's the thing. I'd like a little something from your store. A small brick or a big box set. Anything. I really don't mind. Sir, our inventory is limited. These are samples. We can't just give products away. I mean, you give me this first. Then I'll bring you the handmade item next time. Can I see what you make? Oh, sorry. I haven't actually made it yet. I need to go back, make it, then bring it to you. It'll take about a week or two. Alright then, Ilan, give this gentleman a minifigure. Let's give him a gift. Look at this. This is our latest Christmas minifigure. It's super cute, and it's a limited edition Lego. We can give this to you. Is this okay? Good, yes, okay, that's fine. Then this is for you. Good. Looking forward to your gift. Alright. Thank you. I'll be going now. To print this model, I'm still using the Bambu Lab P2S 3D printer. For bloggers like me, making miniature models, a stable, efficient, and fast partner is essential, so Bambu Lab is my top choice. Use the 0.2mm nozzle the most. It handles the details of every model better. Hello. Hey there. Yes, I finished it. I brought it over. Take a look. What is this? Is this our store? Yes. I made it. It's purple. What's it made of? I 3D printed it. That's the technique. Good. The screen on this can open. Is this part printed too? That design isn't painted, it's UV printed. And here's our World Cup trophy. The new model. Right. Hey, is this the 2026 World Cup trophy? Yes. It's the one that's sold out everywhere. It's quite detailed. Your skills are awesome. It's alright, not bad. Is it complicated? It's a bit complex to make. You have to model it first, then print it, and finally assemble it. Post it on social media for promotion. It looks really amazing. Yeah, I really like it. Thank you so much. No problem, it's all good. Forgot something. Isn't this the talent from last time? Right, yes. Oh, with this kind of setup, it makes much more sense now. So beautiful. Manager, I'll be heading off now. Manager, bye-bye. Wait a moment. This is for you. Really? Yes, wow, this toy. Wow, a BMW. That's right, it's this year's new BMW M4. Guys love this, wow. Love it. You're giving this to me? Yes. Wow, thank you so much. Hey, is this expensive? It's fine, I'll sort it out with the company. Alright, you won't deduct it from his pay, right? No. Okay, thank you very much, I'll be off then. Alright, thanks, bye, yeah, bye-bye. Another successful exchange, guys.